I've been deep diving into tech, but crypto keeps pulling me back, especially a wild idea from the Pi network community. It's called the dual value system, and while not officially confirmed, it's sparking serious discussion. Imagine a digital currency that remembers how it was earned, whether you built the network or just bought in. The core idea: not all Pi coins are equal. Some are for building a stable internal economy, others for open market trading. This could change how we think about crypto value, aiming to solve the volatility that's plagued digital currencies from the start. Most crypto projects chase hype and quick profits, but the Pi community is focused on protecting value created by its users, pioneers. They want mining, running nodes, and building apps to be shielded from market chaos. The goal? A currency that serves its community first, traders second. Right now, Pi is still in its enclosed mainnet phase, and everyone's waiting for the big reveal. The dual value system theory suggests the core team is building something to last, not just rushing to exchanges. It's about rewarding loyalty and contribution over speculation. If this is what's happening, the wait could be worth it. This isn't just another coin. It could be a blueprint for a more stable, user-focused financial future. The Pi community is buzzing about creating a system that values real effort. It's a bold move, one that could set Pi apart from every other crypto project. If the rumors are true, we might be witnessing the setup for one of the biggest reveals in tech. The question is, will it work? Only time will tell, but the concept alone is worth paying attention to. Crypto's biggest problem? Volatility. One day you're rich, the next you're wiped out, thanks to speculation and market manipulation by whales. This chaos makes it impossible for crypto to function as real money for daily life. Most people see crypto as a casino, not a currency. Projects with great tech get derailed by traders chasing quick profits, not long-term value. Developers build for utility, but the market often turns their tokens into speculative assets. Prices get pumped or dumped, disconnecting value from real network use. The Pi dual value system aims to tackle this head-on. How do you let your currency be traded globally without letting traders dictate its value? Most cryptos just accept volatility, but Pi's community thinks there's a better way. Maybe you can build a wall between the community's economy and the speculative frenzy outside. That's the challenge Pi is trying to solve. How would this work? Every Pi coin could have a unique identity, tracked from its origin. The network would know if a coin was mined, earned, or bought, without invading privacy. This tracking lets the system classify coins by their journey. Coins used within the Pi ecosystem have a different story than those traded on exchanges. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, where all coins are identical, Pi's theory suggests some coins should be less fungible. Coins earned by contributing to the network become special, bedrock of the network's value. By giving every coin a history, the system can separate value created from within versus value influenced by speculation. It's like knowing the provenance of art. Coins with a clear, community-driven history could be more stable. This simple idea of tracking origin could drive a revolutionary economic model. It's a radical shift from how crypto works today. Building on that, the system would create two categories: contribution balance, CB, and non-contribution balance, NCB. Each pioneer would have two balances, one for Pi earned through contribution, one for Pi acquired from the open market. CB holds the Pi you mined or earned by helping the network. NCB holds Pi you bought from exchanges, or that's been exposed to speculation. The system knows their history even if they look the same. CB is your earned, community-focused Pi. NCB is your traded, market-exposed Pi. Why does this matter? The two balances could have different uses and properties. This separation could allow Pi to have both a stable internal value and a fluctuating external price. It's a way to protect the core economy while still allowing free trading. You get stability for users and freedom for traders. It's a clever solution to a long-standing crypto problem. The contribution balance, CB, is the heart of the Pi economy. Its value isn't set by exchanges, but by the community's global consensus value, GCV. GCV is a stable, agreed-upon price for goods and services inside the Pi ecosystem. This lets pioneers use Pi with confidence, knowing its value won't swing wildly. Businesses can build on Pi, knowing prices are predictable. Only CB Pi might be used for core functions like staking or governance, giving real contributors more influence. The CB isn't just about stable value, it's about rewarding and empowering the community. It's a tool for building a self-sustaining digital nation. That's what makes it revolutionary. Now, the non-contribution balance, NCB, is Pi's link to the open market. When you sell mined Pi, it leaves CB and enters the speculative world. Its price set by supply, demand, and hype. If you buy Pi back from an exchange, it lands in your NCB, marked as traded. NCB Pi might have limited utility inside the Pi ecosystem. Merchants could demand more NCB Pi for the same product, reflecting its volatility. NCB Pi may not be eligible for staking or governance, its main use trading and arbitrage. This gives pioneers a choice: keep Pi stable in CB, or risk it in the market as NCB. The system contains volatility, keeping the core economy safe. It's a bridge to the crypto world, but with clear boundaries. That's how Pi could balance freedom and stability. Here's where the dual system shines. Whales can buy up Pi on exchanges, but it all becomes NCB Pi, marked as traded. They can't use NCB Pi to crash the internal economy or gain governance power. Merchants value NCB Pi at the lower volatile market price, not the stable GCV. The internal economy, running on CB Pi, stays insulated from outside manipulation. Whales can make waves on exchanges, but not inside the community. Pioneer's hard-earned Pi keeps its value and utility. The system honors real contributions, shielding them from speculators. It's a firewall between utility and speculation. That's a fundamental shift in crypto power dynamics. Behind this concept is Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis, Pi Network's founder and a Stanford PhD. His expertise in social computing means he's building more than just tech. He's designing a socio-economic system. The mobile mining approach made Pi accessible to everyone. The dual value system, if real, would be his masterstroke. It's about using technology to foster a strong, protected community. The Pi network's slow, methodical development makes sense if the goal is a balanced, stable economy. You can't rush a new economic model. Dr. Kokkalis isn't just launching a coin, he's launching a digital economy. While others chased quick profits, Pi focused on user growth and sustainability. The dual value system embodies a philosophy: people first, speculation second. It's a vision that could set Pi apart from every other crypto project. If successful, it's a blueprint for the future of digital money. If the dual value system becomes reality, it could be historic. Pi would be the first digital currency with two parallel value systems, one stable, one speculative. It's a bold answer to the liquidity versus stability dilemma. This could set a new standard for community-driven crypto projects. Imagine coins valued not just by market price, but by their utility within their ecosystem. Pi could prove a global currency can be both tradable and stable. The design addresses crypto's biggest weakness: volatility. If Pi pulls this off, it'll be a landmark in economic design. It's a moonshot idea that could redefine digital value, and that's why the world is watching.